Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you all know that July is watercolor month, we are introducing a series of videos where we will be introducing some amazing products in watercolors. So let's get into it. The first product we have today is by Kohinoor. These are watercolor pancakes and they come in these interesting packaging. So each of these discs have interlocking system where you can keep stacking or keep removing more or less sets of colors. There are different variations of sets in each disc. As you can see, you can stack one disc on the top of other, and there is also a lid which protects the topmost layer of the colors. You can carry it easily anywhere. It's also easy to reduce or increase the number of colors as per your liking. There's another variation in this for 24 colors. This has 4 sets and different combinations in each set. The next product we have in this range is this watercolor pans set by Bistro. This is particularly a traveling kit and it becomes handy when you travel and sketch. If you are someone who enjoys urban sketching or live sketching outdoors, this is a very handy product. It has interesting sizes for the watercolor pans and a good range of colors. This set also has a watercolor brush and a small sponge which creates a good surface to wipe the brush, so it's fully self-sufficient for outdoors. The next one we have is by Pearls and Colors, and it's a set of pearl finish or metallic finish colors. These colors are amazing if you are someone who's in calligraphy or someone who creates mandalas or anything of that sort, or someone who creates mandalas. There is a wide range of different shades in these, and these colors come off as metallic finishes but are water based. We have another set in pearl finish watercolors by the Japanese brand called Gansai. The quality of these colors is amazing and they make a great medium for calligraphy or lettering art. Next set we have is also for travel, and this is by Daler Rowney. I absolutely love the packaging of this one, and it is so handy to carry, especially when you travel. This set also has a wide range of all basic and secondary colors. This palette is my personal favorite for its shape and its interesting design. It also has a brush and 4 separate pans for mixing colors, and I think it makes a great watercolor pans product. In our premium colors category, we have this brand Winsor & Newton, which is our favorite and makes amazing products for professional artists. This watercolor pan set comes with 14 colors and they are removable. This product particularly is really well designed and has extensions where you can mix additional colors and use this palette versatilely. This set also can be used for travel, etc. In premium collection, we also have another brand called Mission, and this set is similar to the one we saw in Winsor & Newton. It has similar colors, extendable palettes to mix colors, and amazing finish of watercolor pans. Another variety in the same brand and same colors is this one where you get more colors, more shades, and you can use them as per your liking. Let us now create a simple artwork using one of the palettes to see how watercolor pans work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite and what is your plan for this watercolor month. We will be coming up with interesting content this month around watercolor. So if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.